Hi parents, sorry it's wiggly. So your child's gonna be coming home today with a paper that looks like this. This is an SCR. We're focusing on this right now. SCR. And these are all the things that go into a short constructed response. We have a little guide for them on the side because they have to hit all these points on an SCR. Later on, you're going to see something called an ECR, but we're not doing that right now, so don't worry about it. But for example, restate the question. So the question is right here. I tell the kids take out the question starters. So their restating the question would be, the author helps the reader understand the meaning of the word hoodoo in the passage by, and a lot of the times they use words like by, because, is, and then that just transitions them over into their answer. So their answer is in their own words. So we read this yesterday and today, and so we kind of talked about this together as a class. If they're giving us all of this information, they're trying to describe what a hoodoo looks like. So my answer to this was describing what makes hoodoos look different. Okay, then we go to the site. I'm trying to get the kids to start using the sentence stems. In the text it says, the author says, in paragraph blank it says. So right here I put in the text it says, because that's our sentence stem, they reached the oddest landform of all. Tall, skinny towers, they're shaped by erosion, sorry. Then they have their quotes, and then they're going to transition over to explaining why they chose this. So they're going to use either this shows or this proves. That's what I want for them because it's super easy if we just get it for them for STAR purposes and their test. So this shows the reader that hoodoos naturally made, even if they look odd. Hoodoos are, even an adult makes mistakes, are naturally made, whoopsie. And then we transition into our sum it all up, which they use in conclusion. So in conclusion, which is part of our sentence stem, the author gives us details, because we're going to restate it again. The author gives us details about hoodoos for us to understand the meaning. And it goes just like that and just like that. So if you have any questions, we're going to be getting practice homeworks like this throughout the year. Just let me know and I'm happy to help. Bye-bye. Hi parents, sorry it's wiggly. So your child's going to be coming home today with a paper that looks like this. This is an SCR. We're focusing on this right now.